What's good, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be going over the website and the tools that you guys are going to be using on a daily basis whenever you guys are trading Forex. So we're going to be talking about the first website, which is called TradingView, which is actually the most important one. So what exactly is TradingView? So TradingView, it's a website that's going to give you guys access to a live chart, right? So it's going to give you access to this entire chart. This is where you guys are going to do your analysis. This is where you guys are going to find your potential trades, right? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this. So obviously you guys want to search up TradingView in Google. Now, when you search up trading on Google, it's going to take you to a page like this. And then the first box that we're going to talk about is this over here, which basically where you guys are going to find your symbols, right? So you guys are going to click this, very simple. And then as you guys can see, this box over here gives you many different options, right? So now only ones you guys want to focus on is just Forex, maybe indices, but obviously since this is a beginner course, you guys just want to simply stick with Forex, get experience before moving on to the indices or moving on to the other ones. So you guys want to click the Forex, right? And down over here is going to give you all the symbols, all the pairs that the Forex offers, right? So you got over here, we got the Euro USD, which is the Euro dollar versus the USD dollars. Over here, we have the GBP USD, which is the British pound versus the US dollars, etc., right? We have many other pairs over here. Now, me personally, I like to trade just one, which is GBP, JPY, and I do recommend you guys to just focus on one different pairs over here. You guys obviously don't want to be trading any other pairs like over here. You guys really don't want to be trading as much pair, right? Just stick to one and just learn exactly how the market moves, right? So let's say that you guys want to be trading GBP USD. So obviously you guys are going to find it in the Forex pair and just click this right over here, and it's going to take you right into the GBP USD market, right? Now this is the market you guys are going to have. This is pretty much where you search them up. Now where you guys want to have them saved, so you guys don't have to really go here every single day and just look for them over here. You guys want to have them in your watch list, where you guys are going to find this right in this box right over here. So in your watch list, you guys can also search it up over here. You guys can have access to all of this right now. This is my watch list. I just stick to 3 pairs, which is US30, gold, and GJ, right? Now, if you guys want to search up any of this, let's say you guys want to add GBP USD, you guys obviously want to click this cross. Look for GBP USD, which is right over here, and then just simply click this button over here, and it's going to automatically save it over there. So whenever you guys are entering the trading view, you guys can just move on to the different charts over here. Obviously, in this case, we're talking about GBP USD. So this is the watch list. This is where you guys want to have your pairs that you guys trade. Second thing that we're going to talk about is this box right over here, which is, as you guys can see, it's the 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, etc. So what exactly is this? So again, I'm gonna get into more details about this later on with the course, but we're gonna go very quick with just showing you guys the website. So in this case over here, this is the time frame that you guys are gonna be trading, right? So you got the daily time frame, the weekly, the monthly, the 4 hour, etc., right? Again, I'm gonna explain to you guys later on with the course what exactly and how exactly to use this. So the way that you guys want to add this into this box over here, you guys want to click this button over here and just simply click the start button over here. So if you guys want to add this over here, it's going to automatically add it into this box over here. So this is the ones that I use. You got the 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and the monthly, right? So those are the only ones that I personally use. Next over here, right, we have this box where it shows you guys the candles, right, the lines and all this stuff. The only one you guys really want to have is just a candle. You guys really don't want to be trading the lines. Just keep the candle, because that's exactly how we're going to be trading, right? Next to it, we have the indicators, right? Now the indicator is pretty much where I really don't recommend you guys to use this, right? Indicators, a lot of beginners start using this thinking that it's actually going to save them or think they're going to make them a lot of money, but in reality, it's not going to help you guys at all. So I like to keep my market very clean, as you guys can see. The only indicator that I like to use is just the EMA. Again, I'm gonna get into more details exactly how that works. But the EMA is just basically this line over here. That's the only one you guys really want to have. So you guys can obviously just copy the settings if you guys don't have exactly one. I don't know why this is not working now. Let me see if this works. All right, so this is the settings that I use for EMA 50. This is the style. So EMA is the only one that I use, and the only other indicator that I use is the session, right? So what exactly is the session? It's just pretty much just, splits up the different time session. For example, the gray one is the London session, the blue one is the New York session. So I want to use this whenever I'm back testing or marking up at night. So pretty much I can just go over my previous trades and just pretty much just back test what London did and just back test what the New York did, etc. So there's only two that I really use. Don't really use any other indicators. And then we have the alerts, right? So what exactly is the alerts, right? So the alert, for example, is where you guys are gonna have a price interest. So let's say that you guys want to look for, price to come into this area over here, which is at 1.26915. So you guys want to go into alert, write that down. So 1.26918. Once you're in the alert right over here, you guys can see that it automatically saves over here. So whenever price comes into this area right over here, it's going to automatically give you guys a notification through your phone. It's just going to tell you that price already has reached to this area. So this is pretty much, you guys are going to use this whenever you guys are waiting for a specific move to happen or for a specific candle to come into that area for your potential trades or rejection, etc., right? So you guys want to be using the alerts. Now we're gonna come down into these tools right over here. So these are the tools that you guys are gonna have on a daily basis. This is the one that I have saved over here. Now there's some tools here that I really don't use. I'm gonna show you guys the only ones that I use. So the first one, which is the lines, right? The only one you guys really want to use is just a horizontal line and the horizontal ray, which is the horizontal whenever you guys are marking up. The ray one, I use this whenever I'm trading on the lower time frame, right? So it's just pretty much the half of the long one, right? The trend line, you guys really don't want to use this. I used to use this back then when I was a beginner, when I actually started trading Forex, but trend line is no longer part of my strategy. The second one, we have the Fibonacci retracement. I barely use the Fibonacci retracement, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it, because again, it's a very good tool for beginners to actually understand how this works. But this is Fibonacci retracement. This is the settings that I use, so you guys can copy this as well. Again, I'm going to get into more details exactly how this works later on in the course, but check this out. This is all my settings. The next one, we have the patterns, right? You guys really don't have to use this. This head and shoulder is old. It's pretty much when I used to use this. So head and shoulder is just basically, I'm going to show you guys all this later in the future in the course, but a head and shoulder is what you guys probably want to have saved. Maybe not, really don't really use this. And then this is exactly the ones that you're going to have saved. You have the long position. So what exactly is this? Is pretty much whenever you guys are going to enter in the long position, you guys want to put your entry right over here. You guys want to have your stop loss. Say your stop loss right over here, you take profits above this next level over here. So this just shows you guys your take profit and your stop loss, and then you guys have the risk to reward right here. So you guys want to have this on. Obviously for the short one as well, you have the long position and the short. So it's a short one whenever you guys are selling. This is a setting for it if you guys want to copy it. Setting for the video. And then we go into the next one, which is, the brushes, the arrow, and the shape. So brushes, again, I use this whenever I'm back testing the market, whenever I'm going over my trades. The other one that I use is arrow. Same thing whenever I'm back testing, just going over my trades. Just pretty much have this whenever you guys, so you guys can write down notes around these areas. The other one that I use is the rectangle. This is definitely what you guys want to use. This is pretty much, I use them whenever I'm trading, which I'm also going to show you guys how to use this later on in the course. But this is where you guys would just simply want to mark up your support and resistance or area of interest whenever you guys are looking for potential trades. Definitely want to have the shape, this rectangle, and then you have the path. This is just very simple whenever you guys are analyzing the market, and let's say you guys are waiting for a buy position, you guys already done your analysis. Just simply to remind you, you can do this. You can take a screenshot of this right over here. Take a screenshot and just obviously have it in your journal so you can see how the trade played out in the future. And then the other one that I use is, what else do I use? The Eclipse. You really don't need this. I used to use this back then, but nothing very, very important. So you really don't need this. And then the text over here, the only one you want to use is just text. You can write down notes, you can write down confluence while you're looking for trades, etc., etc. So this is where you guys want to write down your confluence. You're looking for a long position, and then etc., etc. So that's pretty much it, exactly how TradingView works. Obviously, we're going to get into more details with TradingViews in the future. You're showing you guys exactly how to mark up these charts over here. That's going to be later on with the course. But very simple website, nothing too complicated. You guys can also download this on your phone. It's the same name, TradingView, and it's just going to save you up everything. So this is TradingView right over here. The next website you guys want to use is called Forex Factory, right? So what exactly is Forex Factory? So Forex Factory is a website that's going to give you guys the economic news, right? So it's going to give you guys the economic news throughout the days or throughout the weeks as well. So this is where you guys want to check this every single day whenever you guys are trading, right? So let me make sure everything is recording. Okay. So this is where you guys want to come on a daily basis, and obviously whenever you guys are marking up throughout the week, you guys want to come this to see the economic news that the market is going to have, right? Because again, whenever you guys see this red folder over here, it means that it's very high impact news. So this is definitely where you guys want to stay out. We have the orange one, which is media impact, right? This is where you guys want to pretty much be very patient. But the red ones is where you guys want to be trading. For example, in this case, you can see that we had red news at 8:30 a.m. So basically, you guys want to be trading 30 minutes after the news happens, so you guys don't be involved with the news. Because it will cost you to lose. It will cost you a lot of money if you guys start losing this trade, right? So this is definitely where you guys don't want to be trading. So exactly how you guys want to save this. Click this green funnel page over here and just have the red one and the orange one. The yellow one, you really don't have it, nothing very important. This is just low impact. And then we have this one, which is basically the bank holidays, right? So whenever there's no news or nothing, right? So the white one, you guys are gonna see it whenever the market is closed. Definitely you guys want to have this. I do believe there was a market close this week. Let me show you guys. So example right over here, it's a bank holiday, which means that there's no news, there's nothing, so the market's really not moving. So this is definitely where you guys want to stay out the market. This over here is just the currency you guys are going to be trading. Just like the one that I trade is GBP, JPY, and USD. So those are the ones that I use. If you guys trade the other pairs, you guys can obviously mark this up so you guys can see the economic news for that specific pair. The event types, you guys want to have all of them. Obviously, you guys want to know exactly what's going on. So this is TradingView. This is actually Forex Factory, my bad. And then this is where you guys are going to be checking up the economic news. Very simple. And then finally, we have MyFXBooks, which is a website that I like to use every single day to get the lot size that I'm entering, right? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this. So first thing first, you guys want to search up MyFXBook. It's going to take you to a page over here. The only thing that I use in here is just the FX calculator. So you guys are going to go into the FX calculator. You guys want to go to position size, and then this is pretty much where you guys are going to get the lot size whenever you guys are entering a position. Now again, I'm going to get into more details with the lot size, with risk management later on in this course, but it's just very quick. So positions calculator, let's say you guys are trading your USD. Let's say you guys have a $10,000 account. Let's say you guys are risking 2% of the trade, and let's say your stop loss is at 15 pips, right? You calculate this and it gives you guys the lot size you guys are going to enter in your MetaTrader, right? So whenever you guys are entering a trade, you guys want to enter a 1.33 lot size, and then this is the money that you guys are going to use. So basically you're risking $200, meaning that you guys got to look for a 1 or 2 or a 1 or 3 to make up double of this amount that you're losing, right? So this is going to give you guys, you know, the lot size that you guys are going to use. Let's say that you guys have a tighter stop loss. Let's say you guys have a 10 pip stop loss. It's going to give you another lot size, but notice how you guys always going to lose the same amount of money. So this is definitely great. Also, if you have a bigger stop loss, it's going to give you lower lots, but it's also going to make you lose the same amount of money. I'm going to get into more details of exactly how risk management works, how lot size works in the future. But this is where you guys, another website you guys want to use to obviously choose your lot size. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the only 3 websites that I really focus on a daily basis whenever I'm trading. This is what I do recommend you guys to use every single day. So I'll see you guys in the next video.